guys, hey, it's your girl SimplyKourtleen back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be retouching my hair with this olive oil relaxer kit that I picked up from my local beauty supply store. I'm gonna jump right into today's video. I'm showing you everything that I'll be using today. Vaseline for the perimeter of my hair, gloves, brush, and clips. Now that we got that out of the way, we can go ahead and open up the box, and we're going to show you what all came within this relaxer kit. So we have the cream portion of the relaxer, A, as you see on the container, and then the activating portion, B, that liquidy portion, and then we have a hair lotion. This stuff smells good, y'all. And then you'll see we have the conditioner and the shampoo, both of which smells awesome, guys. This citrusy smell was really good. And then finally, we have the instructions. Now, I have been doing my own hair for a number of years, like, I can't even count. So I usually don't go for the manual. It does come with a pair of gloves, but I think a relaxer is just self-explanatory. So I'm going to go ahead and mix these two together, A and B, with that wooden stick that came in the box. And what you're looking for when you mix the relaxer is a cream-like consistency, smooth like butter. Smooth like butter. I'm sorry, I don't know, I can't talk today. But you're gonna mix A and B until you got that creamy or smooth like butter consistency. And you guys will see, I'm gonna show you. Mix. And yeah, that's pretty much what you want the consistency to be, so that you can start applying the product to your hair. Now moving on to sectioning. I do section my hair off in 4 because it's easy for me to do it this way. And I always start from the back of my head because that portion is more thick and you want to be able to leave the relaxer on there longer than the front portion. Now, one thing I did mess up on is I forgot to put my barrier as far as the Vaseline around the perimeter, but you'll see when I do notice it, I do go back and apply that around the perimeter of my hair. So as I mentioned, I do start from the back, and because this is a retouch, I'm not dragging the product all the way down. I'm just dragging it to where I do need the retouch, pretty much. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the product all around the perimeter of this parting first before I start to section it off in small pieces and apply the product there. Now, if you're not careful and you do have a lot of overlapping, that can cause breakage. But for me, I've been doing my hair for so long, for so many years. I kind of already know how to eyeball it, basically, if that's even a good way to put it. But you always want to be careful when you're applying relaxer because, you know, it does have that tendency to break your hair off if you're not careful. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and section it off and make sure I apply enough product where it needs to be so that I get my hair straight pretty much. Now this portion here is just me applying the product, and you'll see it gets pretty repetitive. And like I mentioned, you'll see at some point I do remember about the protective barrier, the Vaseline, and have to go in and apply that. Somewhere along here, I remember that I need to put the Vaseline to protect my hair. But yeah, do as I say and not as I do, guys. Just make sure you're protecting your skin from the chemical. And yeah, I've sped up this portion here because, like I said, this is pretty much repetitive stuff, as you all will see. And I will leave you all here, and once I get to the next portion of the video, I will come back. So guys, if you've made it to this point of the video, feel free to subscribe to my channel and become part of the Simply K family. Like and share this video with your family and friends, and leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know your thoughts on today's video. So yeah. So at this point, I'm going in again, my second attempt to just smooth the product into the hair so that it can actually get rid of the new growth. And that this is me on the last portion of the hair, just trying to get the relaxer in. I leave my edges last only because I don't have a lot of hair there, so it doesn't take a lot to get that portion straight. And I prefer to get the thicker portions of my head relaxed and smooth down before I add product to the edges. But yeah, this is me just adding a little bit more product and just making sure that the hair is saturated with product, and I'm just gonna smooth it all out. You guys may not see this part because I may have cut it out of the video, but yeah, this is the washing portion, and I did have a lot of product left. I wish I had just mixed half of the kit instead of wasting it, but this is me with fully shampooed hair. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this moisturizing hair lotion. As I said, guys, this thing smells so good. And I also dyed my hair off camera. I didn't think you guys need to see all of that. And I'm also going in here with this hair oil. I love the chai hair oil. It smells to die for. But yeah, don't mind me. I also try to dye my brows, so it came out a little bit darker than I expected it to. But overall, I think it all came out straight. Like, it's super straight. And that's what I'm looking for pretty much. So this is all I do, is add those two products and just allow it to air dry. Not a fan of adding too much heat, so I just allow the hair to hair dry, and then we're gonna get into styling. Hey guys, hey. So I'm back with the final results of my relaxer retouch. As you can see, I did most of the styling off camera. I went ahead and flat ironed my hair just a tad bit. I try to get it to air dry if I know I'm going to be adding heat to it, like flat iron it. So I air dried it and pretty much flat ironed it just a tad bit. Use my trusty tool right here, my Chi Iron Guard, 44 Iron Guard. I love this stuff because I did flat iron. I passed the flat iron through it probably once or twice. And I added these clip-ins here. This is an 18-inch clip-ins. It came with 6, I think it is, yeah. 2 for the nape, 2 for the center portion of your head, and 2 for your crown. And then the 2 smaller pieces I added to the front. So about 8 pieces altogether. And yes, I did grab this from Amazon. The specs on the clip-ins will be in the description box for you guys if you are interested and wanted to know where I got it. But yeah, overall, this is my retouch. If you guys did enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the bottom, like and share with your family and friends. And yeah, leave me a comment and let me know what your thoughts were. If you're looking to see a little bit more videos like this and me actually styling my hair with the clip-ins or anything along those lines, just drop it in the comment section below and let me know. Thank you all for the love, the support. Welcome to the new subscribers. Thank you to the existing subscribers for rocking with me. I appreciate you guys. I will be catching you all in my next video. Bye.